Amazing painting here that's for auction on the wall. My name is Daniel. I'm the visual director and the founder of the Mahalia project. So the Mahalia project was born out of examining how human trafficking functions in the U.S. Almost 10 years ago, I worked with nonprofits that would do global rescue work, essentially. They would rescue girls out of like brothels in Thailand and whatnot. And at the time, I was a videographer, I still am. I was gonna fly over to Thailand to do video work for these organizations. And their national director at the time set me down and was like, the predominance of men flying over to buy young girls for sex are westernized American males. And I had no framing for what that meant. So I was like, well, operationalize that for me, what is that? He's like, well, that's a lawyer that lives in Orange County, California, 2 kids, white picket fence, and a dog. Flies over for sex tourism for the weekend with his buddies because it's fun. And to me, that just struck such a chord with an advertising background, with an American media marketing background. I wanted to understand how a man gets to that level and how women in America become so susceptible to exploitation. And so Mahalia started as an awareness movement. We did years of work in churches, breakout groups, universities. We'd go and talk about awareness. And as we grew, especially after 2020, I wanted to build an actual company, a brand that did fashion, that did events. I wanted to make learning about this more engaging, almost more fun at the point where it wasn't heavy statistics. I wanted people to have, community and organization to talk to each other. And I also just wanted an opportunity to build business around it. So tonight we're here auctioning off this piece in the name of art, in the name of creativity, in the name of using, entrepreneurship and artistry for something that's greater. So I'm glad you guys are here. I want to say it real quick. If anybody would like to bid, there's bidding sheets available, but otherwise we're super glad you guys were here. If you have any questions, feel free to come talk to me or my team. We're around. We're in the bulletproof vest, so appreciate you guys. You want to say anything?
Thank you. I'm the artist and I'm just so honored to be a part of this. It's super important to raise awareness and to do good and to advocate with my art. So it really is creating some real serious change in the world and change for the better. And to partner on this initiative to raise awareness of human trafficking is so important. And it's really, I think it goes undercover. A lot of people just have no clue that it even is happening at all. And to also be partnering with Free Arts is another organization that I support. And so this is just a huge win, and so happy to help so many people in one night with our work. So thanks for having me.
Thank you guys.